Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing a Reaper with a background with some screaming souls. Colors as always, black and white as opaque, and the rest of the colors are transparent. I'm starting with the first gray. For this I'm spraying the opaque white, but not the full opacity, so I'm just spraying over the area a few times, but not till so it doesn't get to the full white. And now I'm switching to the transparent dark blue, and everything that's white here I'm laying down with the dark blue. And I could do this even darker, but I want it with the orange-red background. It's like a cool combination to use the blue with the orange. Now reapplying the stencil again, and then I'm just adding a little bit of white to the chains, so that they pop out a little bit better. This is now the stencil number 2, which is the highlight white. So there are the highlights in the metal parts, the chains and the side, and some highlights in the Reaper body. So try to watch two opposite points and try to find the points where you can apply the stencil. So once you find the points, the stencil would fit perfectly. So on all the little details, there are over 2,000 details in this stencil set. Adjust the Reaper. Same amount comes with the tortured souls that are later applied. So because I don't want to have the white highlights, I put over a little bit of blue, and I'm painting the highlights in full white on the chains and the metal parts, and I'm doing some highlights into the robe as well. And there you have the beautiful Reaper. Now I'm doing some background. So I cover up the Reaper. And I put a little bit of spray glue behind the stencil. And now I'm doing like a gate thing. So I have like these structures that I originally use at the alien backgrounds. So that's the hive structure. As you can see, you can make a really nice pattern there. Same on the other side. Here you see you get like a real complicated pattern for the background, but it just takes some minutes. And I'm doing a little bit of more white in the gap between the walls there. I'm just more fan of this black and white thing, so but the customers want to have a look at this blue-orange variation. So this now is the Tortured Souls stencil set. So I have a black and a white, and one stencil to lay down the background, but because it's white, I'm skip that. And one thing I did later on the bike gas tank that is a little bit better is that if you use more white for the background, the whole details really comes better. You can see more details on the walls. Now this is a little bit too confusing. So now I'm adding some color. For this I'm taking a dark red and I will mix it with some orange and some yellow. Now this is the yellow. And as you see, you can mix colors on the surface. So some parts you have less white and you get a darker red, and some places where you have more white and with the red you get like orange tones. So now I'm doing some drops and dots. I'm squeezing the air holes so that nearly no air comes through, and by moving the trigger, the needle goes through the noose, and with really a little air, the drops came flying out. So this is an easy way to do like a sparks effect. Some orange tones, and I'm doing the dots again. So you have like yellow, orange dots and white dots. And now I'm adding some fine structures that looks like lightning. To the whole thing. And I'm adding also some white highlights in the tortured soles. So you have the complete wall is with small skulls, and it really looks nice. Now you see with the blue-orange combination as a complementary contrast, the repel really pops out. Adding some lightning to this that comes out of the hand. And I'm adding some more of the tormented souls to this, but so now it's finished, so I'm adding a shadow from the chain, and then it's finished. If you like this kind of videos, you can subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, so you get a notification every time a new video comes out. And give a thumbs up if you like it, and thank you for watching. Bye.